If you grew up with a controller in your hand, then this cookie's for you. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. Today on the platform, we'll be decorating a Yoshi cookie. All of the supplies you need are listed in the description, so decorate along with me. I hand cut these cookies, and for a tutorial on that, you can see a link in the description. And then I started out by just kind of scratching in an outline, using my template for the cookie cutter as my guide. You could also use a projector or the tissue paper or paper piecing method, and I'll leave a link to that in the description. Okay, let's decorate. So I'm using a 15-second royal icing in white, and I'm just going to outline and flood in this first eye here. And then off camera, I did use my scribe to settle that icing down. And then I moved down here to the red mouth, and I'm just going to outline and flood that in. And I'll also do the triangles at the back of his head. So touch down with your icing, lift up slightly, and follow it along, touching down at each corner, and then go ahead and flood this in. My icing here is a little bit thicker than a 15-second consistency, so I'm going to need to work with it a little bit with my scribe, or you can use a toothpick to shape it and settle it down. For these little areas, it's important that you make sure your icing gets all the way down to the cookie and is not sitting up on top of that outline so it does not sink down as it dries. And once it's all smooth, go ahead and set this cookie aside to dry for a few minutes until the icing crusts over. And once it does, you can come back in and pipe in the other eye. And then I'm going to take my scribe and I'm going to pop in the air bubbles and smooth the icing out. But I'm also going to shape this eye, get it down into the shape that I want it to be. And you're going to find that your toothpick or your scribe is your best tool. And then move on down to his mouth, and we'll go ahead and outline that. So you're going to want to touch down, lift up with your piping bag, and then slowly go around. We don't want any pixelated edges here, just nice smooth lines. Watch where your line of icing is falling, and then go ahead and flood that area in. If your icing is a looser consistency and you're worried that it might overflow the edge, don't go all the way to the edge and instead use your scribe to move the icing over using little circular motions. And then set that aside to dry until that icing crusts over as well. Think of it as finishing one level before starting the next. And once it has crusted over, grab that iconic Yoshi green icing and go ahead and outline and flood in his face. I'm just going to do this top part here because this is a big cookie and I don't want all of this icing to kind of start to crust over before I can fill it in. And then we'll move on down to his nose and outline and flood that in. So touch down, lift up your piping bag and go right around the edge as close as you can. And then flood that in with the green icing. You want to give it a generous amount of icing, but again, if your icing is not a 15-second consistency, don't go quite all the way to the edge because you don't want your icing to overflow. And as always, use your scribe to shape the icing and to pop any of those air bubbles before they respawn. And once you finish with that, set this cookie aside to dry and save your progress before you move to the next level. And this is the boss level. We're nearing the end and you knew we'd have to face them. Grab your black icing. My icing here is about a 20-second consistency. And I'm just going to touch down, lift up, and drop a line right down in the crease between the green and the white icing. I'm going to go slow. This is real time. I'm going to watch where my line of icing is falling, not my piping bag. And as you get to a corner, just touch down again, lift up slightly, and keep going. The hardest part here, I think, is around the outside edge of the cookie, because you want to drop your line as close to the edge of the cookie as you can without going off the cookie. And it's okay to start and stop when you get to an intersection. Just clean off the tip of your piping bag, touch down again, and lift up and slowly go around the cookie. Again, this is real time. I'm not speeding this video up. I'm going very slow, and I'm watching my line of icing where it's falling. And if you lift your piping bag up away from the cookie just a little bit, you can drop a much smoother line. Otherwise, your line might end up all pixelated looking, which, hey, this is a video game cookie. That's perfectly fine. And again, we want to touch down at each corner or each point, and then just squeeze a little bit of icing out of your bag before you touch it down and go around the rest of the eye here. And then we'll turn the cookie and go around the top. If you have a cookie turntable, it's really helpful, But if you don't, you can use a paper plate or a paper towel or anything that can turn your cookie without you having to touch it. And if you have any start or stop bumps in your black outline icing, just go ahead and take your scribe or your toothpick and gently tap those out once you've finished your outline. And now for the eyes, this will bring the whole character to life. Just pipe two big ovals, the first one right in the corner where the eyes meet and the other one out to the right edge. Use your scribe to settle that icing down because again, my icing here is about a 20-second consistency. And then grab your white icing and your scribe or toothpick, squeeze a little dot onto your scribe, and then place it right down in the top of the eye. While the black icing is still wet, you can use your scribe or your toothpick to tap at it just a little bit to get that white icing to settle down. And all that we have left is to draw in the nostrils. So again, taking your black icing, just make two little curved lines. And just like that, our Yoshi cookie is complete. No cheat codes, no glitches. Honestly, he turned out excellent. And if you want to see how to decorate the rest of the Nintendo crew, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Drop me a note in the comments, let me know which character you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next level. Bye for now.